Hello, sixth grade friends. I hope you're doing well today. Sorry I'm not able to be with you. I had some things and some stuff and some more things to take care of on my end, so I'm not able to be with you at school. Fortunately, you're in good hands with our guest teacher today, so make sure that you follow all of our classroom expectations so that when I come back, I hear some good reports. And I'm not worried. I just needed to remind you about that. So today you're going to continue working on your Civil War timeline Padlet, as you see here on Thursday in our calendar in Canvas. Right below where it says number 1 here, the Padlet timeline, you will find a slideshow to give you directions again as to how to set up like we did yesterday. So if you weren't here or you forgot, you can tap on this link and it'll bring you to this slideshow. So just a reminder about our expectations in the classroom. What does this all look like, sound like, and feel like as far as your conversations you had with your guest teacher? Biggest one here, please appreciate others' differences and work together and do a good job during your work time today. So this slideshow is the one we went through yesterday in class to help you set up your Padlet. So if you didn't do this, you can go through this slideshow to help remind yourself how to go about and fill in your Padlet. So this will show you what exactly you need, our summaries, but also the keyword note summaries about Charlie Goddard and his experience. You'll also have a rubric to follow, so you can see if what you have put together is good enough. This will tell you everything you need as far as the historical knowledge and then the historical analysis. So you'll have a piece of paper. I'll have the guest teacher give you one. Put your name on it, and this is what you're going to be turning in as well with your timeline when it is completed. So you should have a good idea before you even turn it in what score you're going to get if you're meeting, if you're approaching, attempting, or even if you're exceeding those expectations. So use this as a guide to help you in your understanding of your timeline when you are finished. So when you are done, if you do finish today, I'm going to ask that you also look at Canvas. Right below number 2, there's a Minnesota and the Civil War assignment for you to work on. If you don't get to this is okay. It's just something to enhance your learning today if you do finish your timeline. So what you do is you click on it, and it's a call to arms video that you're going to watch. And as you're watching, there are some questions that'll pop up for you to answer based on what you watched in the video. Feel free to rewind and rewatch the information as many times as you want, because once you answer and you hit submit, there are no changes to your score, and there will not be any retakes on this activity. So take your time on it, learn about how Minnesota was affected during the Civil War, and their steps forward when we look at the assignment call to arms. If you finish that, you can use your time playing any of the social studies apps that you have on your iPad or GeoGuessr. But this should be between the timeline work along with this call to arms video, you should have more than enough to do. If you have questions, you can email me. I should be around my email a little bit throughout the day, but you can also ask your guest teacher. They'll help you out as much as they can. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Please email me with any questions or any concerns. Thank you.